Associated mountains and rivers of Himalayas. Associated mountains. The associated mountains of Himalayas are formed during the formation of Himalaya. Purvanchal Ranges forms the easternmost part of the country, thus known as Purvanchal. These ranges runs along Myanmar border. Most of the hills are made up of sedimentary rocks. The range runs through Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. It consists of Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipur Hills and the Lushai Hills, or also called Mizo Hills. Patkoi Hills are the northernmost hills. Lushai Hills are the southernmost hills. Naga Hills and Manipur Hills are present in between the Patkoi Hills and Lushai Hills. The highest peak of Naga Hills is Saramati Peak, having height of about 3,826 meters. Rivers. Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial in nature, that is, these flows continuously throughout the year. These are fed by rainwater in monsoon and water formed by melting of snow during summer season. These rivers have formed number of erosional features such as deep gorge, V-shaped valleys, rapids and waterfalls, etc. The main rivers are Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. River Indus is one of the great rivers of the world, rises near Mansarovar in Tibet. It flows through India and Pakistan and then meet the Arabian Sea. Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum are the tributaries of Indus. Tributaries means the rivers that feeds into the larger stream. River Ganga originates at Gangotri, where its name is Bhagirathi. It is then joined by river Alkananda at Devprayag, and then the combined flow is called as River Ganga. It flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Then it enters in Bangladesh. The Yamuna, Ramganga, Ghagra, Gandak and Koshi are the important tributaries of Ganga. River Brahmaputra rises in Tibet. It flows long distance in eastwards and then enter India in Arunachal Pradesh. It passes through Assam, then enters in Bangladesh and then joins the Bay of Bengal. The main tributary of Brahmaputra is river Subansiri.